Alright, hello my wonderful students. This is Foldable number 1, section 6.5, solving a square root equation. For this one, we're going to isolate the radical expression, simplify the root, and then solve for x. Alright. So the first thing we have here is what is the solution of 3 plus the square root of 2x minus 3 equals 8. So we're just going to be solving. So first things first, we got to isolate the isolate the radical expression, which is this here, in order to square both sides to get rid of the radical. First thing we're going to do here is we're going to subtract 3 to both sides. This is going to give us, this simplifies, goes to 0. So this is going to be square root 2x minus 3 left over equals to 8 minus 3 is 5. Then now we already have isolated the radical expression. Now we're going to simplify the root. This is a square root, so in order to get rid of a square root, we're going to actually square both sides. So this is going to be 2x minus 3 equal to 25. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and solve for x. So we have our plus 3 to both sides. Plus 3 to both sides. We get 2x negative 3 minus negative 3 plus 3 goes to 0 equals to 28. Then we're going to go ahead and divide both sides by 2 and get x is equal to 14. Now we're going to go ahead and check for extraneous solutions, or check to see if it does have an extraneous solution with the solution we got. So in order to do that, we're going to switch colors. We're going to put into our original equation here our x equals 14, what we got, and let's see what we get. So we have 3 plus the square root of 2x. We're going to do 2 times our x, which was 14, minus our 3, all into the square root there, equal to 8. And we're going to see if for sure, indeed, this is 8 or not. So 3 plus the square root, 2 times 14 is 28. So it would be 28 minus 3 equals to 8. Once again, we have 3 plus the square root of 28 minus 3 is 25. And this still equals 8, maybe, question mark. We know that the square root of 25 is 5. It technically is plus or minus 5, but whenever we're already assuming everything is the principal root now, so we're only gonna use the positive answers for this point on, at least for these ones, yeah. So then we know that 3 plus 5 is indeed 8, and 8 does indeed equal 8. Check mark.